Effective communication of complex climate science is crucial in today's world. In this study, we compared two ways of presenting uncertainties in climate models: an explainer video and an interactive article. Both formats covered the same topic using the exact same script. The goal of this study was to evaluate whether the simultaneous linking of visual information to the narrative in the form of a video would produce a more robust memory of information compared to an interactive and illustrated article. We also wanted to assess whether the interactive elements of the article had any impact on performance. Over 600 participants from around the world took part in the study. We evaluated their engagement, preferences, and both immediate and delayed recall of the information. Despite our hypothesis that the simultaneous nature of the video format would increase information retention, both groups displayed no statistically significant differences in performance for immediate retention. Both groups had a median score of 15 out of 20 correct answers, and their performance distributions were very similar. Surprisingly, when participants returned 1 week later, they hadn't forgotten much. Both groups still had a median score of 15 correct answers, and their distributions were still fairly alike. Despite their similarities, they did differ strongly in how long participants spent on each format. The median article reader took 4 minutes longer to complete than video viewers. This is likely due to users interacting with the elements in the page. If one considers the amount of time a user spent learning and the amount of information retained as a type of efficiency, then with both groups having equal information retention, the video format is 29% more efficient than the interactive format. As interactivity likely played into this loss of efficiency, it's crucial to see if there is any benefit. By comparing total clicks, clicks per minute, and the delay between clicks, we found no correlation between these interactivity metrics and information retention. In other words, interactivity did not affect how well participants remembered the information. Lastly, there exists a significant negative trend for age group and performance on the video format, as well as a positive trend for education and performance on the article format. In conclusion, for general audiences, the video format appears to be the most efficient method for communicating information about climate science. However, neither format is more effective in terms of performance.